Welcome to the Continental Refrigerator service video page. Today we will be going over uncrating your new Continental Refrigerator unit. When your shipment arrives, thoroughly examine the package for any punctures, dents, or signs of rough handling which may have occurred during shipment. If the packaging is damaged, either refuse the shipment or it must be noted on the carrier's delivery slip or bill of lading, and a freight claim must be filed with the shipping company, as freight damage is not covered under warranty. After moving the unit to its final location, remove all the staples from around the bottom of the crate using a pry bar. Slide the cardboard carton up and off of the unit, being careful not to rub against the cabinet. All shelving, accessories, legs, and casters are carefully packaged and secured inside your cabinet to prevent damage. Remove all accessories and set aside. 4 bolts secure the cabinet to the wooden skid. The bolts are located at each end on the underside of the skid. In order to remove these bolts, tilt the cabinet backwards and place wooden blocks at each end in order to hold it in its tilted position. Never lay your model on its front or sides. Using a 3/4 inch socket or open-ended wrench, remove the bolts and carefully slide the cabinet off of the skid. Dispose of all packaging materials properly. A serial data tag is permanently attached to the inside right-hand wall of your unit. In addition to identifying the specific product, this label provides information regarding electrical requirements, refrigeration charge, as well as agency listings and factory contacts. The model and serial number should be noted on the front cover of the operations manual provided with your unit. If parts or service are ever needed for your unit, this information will be required to verify warranty status and to properly identify any parts that may be needed. When considering a Continental Refrigerator unit, please contact the factory or visit our website at continentalrefrigerator.com for current product information, as our product specifications are subject to change without notice.